Hello my dear students, welcome back to my class. In the previous video, we discussed about the tracing of bubble sort technique. In today's video, we will see the complete program of bubble sort program with the dry run of the program and actual execution. So those who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification of all the new videos. So here we have the algorithm of bubble sort. Let us understand the complete tracing of this algorithm with the actual program. So this is what our complete program is, the bubble sort program. So when you just look into this program, you can just observe you have two loops. That is, nested loop concept is coming into picture here. So we saw the tracing in the previous video. The tracing says you will have n minus 1 passes and n minus passes comparisons. So here you have two loops. One is outer loop and the other one is inner loop. This is outer loop and this is inner loop. Well, the nested loop, how it is going to work? With the given outer loop, the inner loop has to be executed completely and then it goes to outer loop. Based on the outer loop, once again inner loop has to be executed completely. Again outer loop. If the outer loop not satisfied, I have to come out of the whole loop. So here why we have these two loops? We have two loops, first loop and second loop, say outer loop and inner loop. This loop takes care of number of passes. It takes care of number of passes and this loop takes care of number of comparisons. So here, when I just start this loop, it takes care of the first iteration. When I get into the first iteration, I have to see how many comparisons I need to do. Means to say, well, these statements has to be executed these many times. So here it says for this inner loop, these statements has to be executed these many times means it decides how many comparisons it will do. So the inner loop takes care of the comparison. So in the first iteration, I will do 4 comparisons. So it is n minus passes. First pass, 5 minus, say 5, n value is 5. So 5 minus first pass, so it is 4 comparison. 1, 2, 3 and then 4. 1, 2, 3 and then 4 comparisons we are going to do. So let us see how this program is going to work with step-by-step iterations. So let me tell you once again how the bubble sort is going to do. It is going to compare the neighboring elements. So neighboring elements will be compared and exchange will be done if required. So all the comparisons will be done. Finally, the elements will be sorted. So how it is getting sorted? Let us see the iterations now. So we will see the iterations now. As usual, main function a of 10, I say it can be more than that or less than that. I have just mentioned for 5 elements. Memory allocation I have just represented for 5 elements. I control variable for one loop, outer loop, j for inner loop, n to accept the limit of the array, and temp is the supporting variable which is helping to do the swapping process. Then in my output screen, the first message that what I get is enter the limit. So for example, I'll give the value as 5. So as soon as this array declaration is done, memory allocation will be done. So n I have taken it as 5. So n value is 5. I'll enter the elements as usual. Loop starts and I am scanning the values. So I have taken these values 30, 20, 50, 40 and 10 with this scanf. A of I means A of 0, A of 1, 2, 3, 4. Reading 1D values. After accepting the values, I am starting this loop. I equal to 1, I less than n. So the first loop will go up to n minus 1 passes and hence I have given less than n. And why this 1? Because I just say it is not with respect to any index values, it is only with respect to passes. So this is first pass, first iteration. How many iterations I have to do? I have to do n minus 1 iterations. N minus 1 passes. So totally n minus 1 means 5 minus 1, which is 4 times these statements gets executed. So 4 iterations I have to do. So 4 times this loop has to be executed. And how many times this if statement has to be executed? It has to be executed n minus I times. N is 5, I is the pass, n minus passes. So 5 minus pass 1 means 5 minus 1, 4 times this if condition gets executed means 4 times comparison will go on. Okay, so let us see now. I equal to 1, 1 less than n. N means 5. N value is 5. This is what the I value. Then is 1 less than 5? The outer loop condition true. Get inside. Execute this inner loop. Inner loop starts. J equal to 0. J less than n minus I. J less than n minus I. J is 0. 0 less than n is 5. Minus I means how much? It is 1. So it is 5 minus pass 1. 5 minus 1. It is 4. 0 less than 4? Yes. Condition true. Get inside. Execute this if statement. I am comparing the first element with second. Means this is what the j value. A of j means 0 greater than a of j plus 1. It is 0 plus 1. It is 1. First element to be compared with second element. First element to be compared with second element. Is 30 greater than 20? Is 30 greater than 20? Yes. If condition true, execute this block. If not, don't execute. As I said, every time there may not be exchange of values. Based on the values, there may be exchange or there may not be any exchange. Now, according to this if condition, the condition is evaluated as true. Yes, 30 is greater than 20. I need to do the interchange of these two values. So, what I have to do? This code gets executed. I say temp equal to a of j. A of j means a of 0. So, whatever value I have in a of 0, that will go to temp. So, what is a of 0? It is 30. Now, temp value is 30. Then, a of j. A of j means a of 0 equal to a of j plus 1. A of 1. Whatever value I have in a of 1, that should go to a of 0. So, a of 1 I have 20. 20 will go to a of 0. So, a of 0 is 20. Then, a of j plus 1 means a of 1 equal to temp. So, what is temp? Temp I have stored 30. That will go to a of 1. So, now a of 0 becomes 20. See here. And a of 1 becomes 30. So, that interchange I need to do now. So, what I will do here? A of 0 how much? 20. A of 1 how much? 30. Interchange is done. So, A of 0, A of 1 interchanged. This block executed. Control to inner loop progress. So, this is pass 1. So, this is first iteration. I am still in the first pass. Inner loop is going on. See, after executing this, the control will be to j plus plus. Inner loop gets incremented. J gets incremented. Again, check the condition. So, this is pass 1. First comparison is done. And in that comparison, I also exchange the values. Values got exchanged. Now, I have to go to this inner loop. See, with the given outer loop, the inner loop has to be executed completely. For this inner loop, if condition gets evaluated. If condition true, do the swapping. Or else don't do loop progress. Right. So, j gets incremented. Now, I need to check the j value. What is j? It is incremented. It is 1. 1 less than 4. This is what the j value. This is outer loop. This is inner loop. 1 less than 4? Yes. Because I need to do 4 comparisons. One comparison is done now. Second comparisons I need to do now. 1 less than 4. So here you have to just put a tick. just to confirm that the loop condition is true. Inner loop condition true. Once again, get inside, execute this if statement. Now, if A of 1 greater than A of 2. Now, I need to take this changed value. A of 1 is how much? It is 30. A of 2 is 50. Is 30 greater than 50? No. Condition not satisfied. So, this swap block will not be executed. No swapping. Take a loop progress with the inner loop. Now, inner loop is how much? It is 2. 2 less than 4. Yes, again condition true. Inner loop true. Get inside, execute the if condition. Now, it is A of 2 greater than A of j plus 1 means this is what the j value. A of 2 greater than A of 3. What is A of 2? It is 50. Is 50 greater than 40? Yes. Then the swap code gets executed. Again, these statements will be executed as usual. I'll take the help of temp and I'll do the interchange. So, the values gets interchanged. So, what happens now? A of 2 becomes 40 and A of 3 becomes 50. I need to do the interchange. So, A of 2 is 40 now and A of 3 is 50. Interchange done. So, after the interchange, again take a loop progress. So, j gets incremented. So, j gets incremented. J value is 3. 3 less than 4. Yes. Condition true. Again check A of 3 greater than A of 4. So, we have interchanged actually. A of 3 is 50. Is 50 greater than A of 4? 10? Yes. Again do the interchange. So, here A of 3 becomes 10 and A of 4 becomes 50. So, do the interchange. A of 3 should become 10. So, it is 10. A of 4 becomes 50. Interchange done. Again take a loop progress. Let me write it here. So, this is the first comparison, second comparison, third comparison and fourth comparison. Take a loop back. J gets incremented. J becomes how much? Say it is 4. This is what the J value. 4 less than 4? No. Inner loop terminated means control to where? Outer loop. So, the first pass, we did how many comparisons? 4 comparisons. And by the time, just look at the array, the largest element was placed at the last. See, 50 is at the last. Still, we need to do many comparisons, many interchanges, right? So, now when we go to the outer loop gets incremented. So, now we are in pass 2. So, we'll go to outer loop. I gets incremented. I becomes how much? 2. 2 less than 5. I less than n. I plus plus I gets incremented. I becomes 2. 2 less than 5. Yes, condition true. Get inside. The inner loop once again starts from first. Now, j equal to 0. 0 less than n minus I. I is 2. 5 minus 2 means it is 3. This is what j value. So, for the second pass, first pass we did 4 comparisons, the last element sorted. When we get into the next iteration, the second pass, we will do only 3 comparisons. Comparison 1, 2 and 3. So, it is n minus pass. That is n is 5, pass is 2, 5 minus 2, that is 3 comparisons. That is n minus I, 0 less than 3, condition true. Get inside. Now, I need to check this condition. A of 0 greater than A of 1. 20 and 30. Is 20 greater than 30? No. No need to interchange. Again, inner loop progress. 1 less than 3. This is what the j value. Inner loop gets incremented. 1 less than 3. Again true. A of 1 greater than A of 2. A of 1 means it is 30. Is 30 greater than 40? 30 greater than 40? Again no interchange. So here also no interchange. Here also no interchange. Again inner loop. So this block will not be executed. When this condition is not satisfied, this block will not be executed. I'll straight away go to inner loop progress. J becomes 2. 2 less than 3? Yes. Then compare A of 2 with A of 3. Is A of 2 greater than A of 3? Is 40 greater than 10? Yes. I need to do the interchange. This swap code gets executed and the value gets interchanged. A of 2 becomes 10 and A of 3 becomes 40. So A of 2 I have to make it as 10 and A of 3 make it as 40. Interchange done. This code got executed. Again inner loop progress, it is 3. 3 less than 3? No. Inner loop gets terminated. See how many comparisons we did. See, it is pass 2. So in the pass 2, how many comparisons we'll do? N minus passes. N is 5, passes 2, 5 minus 2. We have to do 3 comparisons. 1, 2 and 3. It's done. So here the second largest was placed. 40 and 50 done. Still 3 elements I need to sort. 3 less than 3 inner loop gets terminated. Control to outer loop. I gets incremented. I becomes how much? 3. 3 less than 5? Yes. So now we are in pass 3. Then I say 3 less than 5 condition true. Get inside this inner loop. J equal to 0. Inner loop starts from first. J equal to 0. 0 less than n minus I. I means pass. That is 3. N is 5. Passes 3. Pass 3. 5 minus 3. And you do only 2 comparisons. So n minus I 0 less than 2. Condition true. Get inside A of 0 greater than A of 1. What is A of 0? It is 20. A of 1 it is 30. 20 greater than 30. No need to swap. This code will not be executed. Inner loop progress, this is what the J value. J becomes 1. J gets incremented. See here, J gets incremented. Again check the condition. 1 less than 2. Yes, condition true. Then A of 1 greater than A of 2. What is A of 1? It is 30. A of 2, it is 10. Is 30 greater than 10? Yes. Do the interchange. So what happens? A of 1 becomes 10 and A of 2 becomes 30. So interchange done. After executing this, take the inner loop progress. It is 2. 2 less than 2. Inner loop gets terminated. See how many comparisons we did? 2 comparisons. N minus pass. Pass under pass means it takes the I value. So it is 5 minus 3. 2 comparisons we did. So 2 less than 2. Inner loop not satisfied. Inner loop terminates. Control to outer loop. So when we go to the outer loop, so here I gets incremented. I becomes how much? 4. 4 less than 5? Yes. So we are in pass 4. So it is 5 minus 4. How many comparisons? 1 comparison I need to do. Get inside 0 less than n minus I. That is n is 5. 5 minus 4. 1. 0 less than 1? Yes. Condition 2. Get inside. Check this. A of 0 greater than A of 1 is 20 greater than, what is A of 1? 10. Is 20 greater than 10? Yes. Condition satisfied. Do this interchange. A of 0 becomes 10. A of 1 becomes 20. So A of 0 is 10. A of 1 is how much? 20. Again take an inner loop progress. J becomes 1. 1 less than 1? No. Condition not satisfied. Inner loop terminates. Control to outer loop. Outer loop it becomes 5. 5 less than 5? No. Outer loop itself false. I have to come out of the loop. Just look at the array. See, elements are sorted. Say what a magic. So this is how the bubble sort technique works. Neighboring elements will be compared and we will be exchanging. So you'll come out of this loop, control will be to this printf. After sorting, say as usual loop, print a of I means 0 to 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, a of 4, all the elements will be printed. This is what the dry run. So please take down the iterations neatly. Let us see the actual execution of the program now. So this is what our complete program. So void main, we have given all the declarations. See nested loop we have. So this is the complete program. Let us save this program. Alt F9 to compile. Control F9 to execute. Enter the limit of the array. So let me say I want to enter 5 elements. Say let me give the same values. Say 30, 20, 50, 40, 10. Unsorted elements. So now let us see how the elements get sorted. See 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So this is how the bubble sort is going to work. So hope you have understood with this program. So in the next video, till then, take care. Bye-bye.